ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನನಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಸ್ಪೀಚ್ ಕನ್ನಡದಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತ ಇತ್ತು, ಬಟ್ ಇವರು ಗುರುವಾರೆಡ್ಡಿ ಅವರೇ ಅವರು ನನಗೆ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಬಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಕರ್ನಾಟಕಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೋದು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ನನಗೆ ಭಾಳ ಖುಷಿ ಸಿಕ್ಕುತ್ತೆ. ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು, ನಮ್ಮ ತಾಯಿಯವ್ರದ್ದು ಕುಂದಾಪುರ ಅಂತ. ನನಗೆ ವೆನ್ ಐ ಕಮ್ ಟು ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ ಆರ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾವಾಗ ನನಗೆ ಅಪ್ಪನ ಮನೆಯಿಂದ ಅಮ್ಮನ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದ ಥರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಒಂದು ಹಾಲಿಡೇಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದ ಥರ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಬೀನ್ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು, ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ. ಬಟ್ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಟುಡೇ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟ್ರೂಲಿ ಆನರ್ಡ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಹಿಯರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅ ವೆರಿ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ರೀಸನ್. Dr. Bhaskar Rao Garu has been a very dear friend of mine. Though I am not qualified enough in experience or age-wise, it puts me in a very tight situation here to talk about you, Bhaskar Garu. But I'm here as a family member and not as a chief guest, and it gives me the responsibility and the freedom to talk about you. Over the years, I've seen his passion and work very closely as a family member. It is incredible to see the journey of KIMS, from where Bhaskar Garu has started it to where it stands today. It has grown in one of the fastest expanding hospital groups in India. But what makes it even more special is seeing the next generation, my two brothers Advik and Abhi. Abhinay and Advik standing right beside Bhaskar Garu. It's wonderful to see them take the lead and carry this vision forward so strongly. I love you, boys. Opening this multi-speciality facility in Bengaluru is an extremely big step. I was told that it is a world-class center designed to handle everything from routine checkups to the most complex surgeries. But beyond the building and the technology, what I admire most about KIMS is their philosophy. Patient is paramount. Their goal has always been to provide affordable, quality healthcare to everyone. Bringing the same commitment to Bengaluru is truly a win for this city. Seeing a hospital like this also reminds me of how much the healthcare sector in our country is rapidly growing. There is so much potential in India, and it is being led by the doctors of this country. I honestly believe our doctors are among the best in the world. When you have government supporting infrastructure like KIMS, and when we have this kind of infrastructure supporting the skill and dedication of doctors, I feel proud that India is shining. We are setting a real example for the world in healthcare. For example, I have come to know that in the past 4 months, KIMS has performed 25 organ transplants. It is not a joke. There are a lot of doctors sitting here. I'm sure you back my statement here that 25 organ transplants in 4 months, it's definitely a big record for a city in Bangalore, a city like Bangalore. To the entire teams of KIMS Bengaluru, I wish you all the very best. May this place bring healing and hope to many families under the leadership of Dr. Nitish Shetty and Mr. Srinath Garu. Congratulations to Bhaskar Rao Garu, Abhinay, Advik, and the entire KIMS family. I would also like to remind, I'm standing here at PES. You saw the slide. I don't know if it's coincidence or divine blessings of the great man himself. March 20th, 1983, my grandfather, late Sri Nandamuri Taraka Ramarao Garu, was here to inaugurate a block. And today I'm here in this very place inaugurating KIMS. It's just divine blessings of the great man himself, and it really gives me a lot of pleasure. PS began with the vision of late Doraswamy Garu and now is led by Jawahar Garu. The foundation stone, as I mentioned, was laid by my grandfather. This collaboration between PES and KIMS is a wonderful combination, coming together of healthcare and education, two pillars that shape a stronger and healthier society. Thank you for this opportunity. Jai Hind.